Hi all, we are in the last day of our 7 minutes, 7 days series, Python with our Thala. Think like Captain Cool. Hope you people enjoyed the 6 days. So let's make this day very interesting with our enthusiastic mindset. Okay, the grand finale, as the slide says. We are going to see 7 amazing Python one-liners along with few bonus. So as just like how MS Dhoni finishes the matches with calm and confidence, the bestest finisher. I hope you all agree with me. Python allows us to solve complex programs and problems using simple single line programs. Yesterday we saw about comprehension, lambda. Not like that. We are going to see some built-in functions in one line if else how we can write. Some I have just mixed like simple as well as complex one-liners. Simple ideas often create extraordinary results. I hope you agree with me. Shall we start? Okay, so see here, first one, speed and decision. That is the theme. Swapping two numbers. We know swapping techniques in multiple ways. We can do it with temporary variable. Temp is equal to A, putting the content of A into the temp, then A will hold B, then we will put the temporary content into the B with the third variable. And without the third variable, we know the plus minus minus technique. I hope you people know that. A and B, if they are the numbers, A comma B, two numbers if you want to swap as b comma a plus b, then a minus b, a minus b. Try it after the class and let me know in comments. Rather than doing all those things, one line swapping. See here, a comma b is equal to b comma a. No need of temporary variable, no need of this plus minus minus or asterisk slash thing. We can do it with a single line. Interesting, right? Swapping two things. See how it is getting swapped. Image is interesting now. One line if else. See here, if the condition else. Left side of if is the true block. Right side of else is the false block. This is one line if statement. Python makes quick decisions in a single line. So coming to this, reversing a string. I hope you people know about colon minus 1. From the end till the beginning, we are traversing in the negative minus thing. With the same reversing the string, you can check the palindrome. If you give this expression in the if-else statement, it will check for a palindrome. S and reversal of S. And you have to do like uppercase, lowercase check, because always it is not let's say race car, like this I'm typing, mix it, race car. If you reverse it, this is the race car. If you reverse it, lowercase r will be first. This lowercase r and this capital R are not the same, so it is case sensitive. So you can just do like s dot lower double equal to this one, reversal dot lower or upper, like that you can check. So just like watching a replay from both the directions, they will be zooming in, they will be slowing down. Many things are there in cricket. Python can reverse the strings instantly, and this is the command for that. Okay, next one. Scoreboard mastery, maximum and minimum. So rather than doing the if statement, if A is greater than B, then the greatest value is A, else the greatest value is B. Rather than doing like this, max of A comma B, min of A comma B, that will give you the greatest score, least score, all those things. Finding the extremes becomes a breeze with this max and min. Like that, lots of built-in functions are there. Like for finding the sum, you have SUM, sum of the scores of the players. Many built-in functions are there. You people can explore string built-in functions, numbers built-in functions, n number of built-in functions we are having in Python. Then we have, this is the final over along with the bonus. See here, odd or even. Just how we can check. Just you can divide the num modulo. This is the modulo operator which will give you the remainder. If you divide it by 2 and if you're getting the remainder as 0, it is an even number. If you're getting the remainder as 1, it is an odd number. So what are all the bonuses we are having? Length of the list, len command will give you the length of the list. Square of a number. So rather than using this one, uh, double asterisk, rather than using x multiplied by x, you can just use double asterisk. This will give you the square of a number. And we have sqrt function, math.sqrt, for finding the square root. N number of math functionalities are there. You people can explore even in our blog, a separate math random post I have posted. Please go through that. You'll get lots of idea. I will post the blog link also fully in our description today. And I will post all the video links and this PPT for your reference in our blog, and I'll give you the link. Definitely go through that, and feel free to say how these 7 days were. I will be very happy to read the comments. And converting to uppercase, lowercase, dot upper, dot lower, string functionalities also lots and lots are there. Okay, so the captain's training regimen. What is this? Readability first. The common small mistakes and tips. Simple code is always better than clever code. It should be simple and it should be neat and smart. Understand the logic. Don't memorize the one-liners. This is what I'm telling again and again. Whatever programming language you are learning, whatever new concept you are learning, don't memorize. Understand the logic and carry on. Practice daily. Even one program every day improves your coding skills. In our blog, I have posted lots of competitive exams related questions, hackathon related coding questions. You can take one problem, read the question, try to solve in your own way. If you can't, read the insights and try practicing one problem a day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Like that, a program a day improves your logical skills. Write normal code first, then convert it to one liner. If you can't able to understand one line if else statement, try to write it normal if, then put the true block to the left side of else, sorry, if, and the false block to the right side of else, like that. And Dhoni mastered cricket through practice, not shortcuts. One liners are powerful because they are built on strong fundamentals. Make your fundamentals strong, you can automatically write one liners. So this is the last ultimate slide of our 7 days tribute to our MS Dhoni's belated birthday of 2026. Thank you, Dhoni. Thank you, Captain Cool, for making us learn with your tips and tricks. 7 days, 7 minutes, seven concepts every day at 7 a.m. Hope you people have enjoyed. So let's end with a happy birthday message to our MS Dhoni. You people also can wish him virtually. Happy birthday, MS Dhoni. Thank you for inspiring millions with your calmness, leadership, humility, and unforgettable finishes. Your journey teaches us that success comes from consistency, patience, and continuous learning. Yes or no? Yes. So just like how Captain Cool made cricket simple through smart decisions, may all you people learners, may all your journey, Python journey become simple with every line of code. Practice regularly, be consistent, keep learning, keep practicing, keep inspiring, and stay calm, enjoy Python, think like Captain Cool, and be cool. Thank you.